In this video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF from CamScanner to Gmail in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Open your CamScanner app. Here we go. Now select the file that you want to convert to PDF and send to Gmail. Here I will be selecting this one file. Open it. Now at the bottom you can see this Sure option, tap on it. First you have to remove this watermark, tap on this option Remove. Now here you can see different options as PDF, Word, Image, tap on this option PDF. Now just swipe right, you can see the option of Gmail, tap on it. Now you have to enter the mail of the person whom you want to send this PDF. Now you have to write the subject. After you are done, tap on this icon given at the top right corner. It is in the process to be sent. It is done. In this way, you can easily send PDF from CamScanner to Gmail. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.